Clove water, a simple yet powerful concoction that has been used for centuries for its amazing health benefits. Cloves, the dried flower buds of the clove tree, are not only a popular spice in cooking, but also have a long history of medicinal use. When infused in water, cloves release their potent essential oils and antioxidants, creating a refreshing and health-boosting drink. One of the most well-known benefits of clove water is its ability to improve digestion. Cloves are rich in eugenol, a compound that has been shown to help reduce gas and bloating, as well as stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. Drinking clove water before or after meals can help aid in digestion and prevent indigestion. Clove water is also a great natural remedy for sore throats and coughs. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of cloves can help soothe a sore throat and reduce inflammation. Simply gargling with clove water can provide relief from pain and irritation, while drinking it can help alleviate coughing and congestion. In addition to its digestive and respiratory benefits, clove water is also known for its ability to boost the immune system. Cloves are packed with antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and free radical damage. Drinking clove water regularly can help strengthen the immune system and reduce the risk of infections and illnesses. Another surprising benefit of clove water is its ability to improve oral health. Cloves have long been used in traditional medicine for their antiseptic properties, which can help kill bacteria and prevent cavities and gum disease. Gargling with clove water can help freshen breath, reduce plaque buildup, and promote overall oral hygiene. Clove water is also a great natural remedy for headaches and migraines. The analgesic properties of cloves can help reduce pain and inflammation, making it an effective treatment for headaches. Drinking clove water or applying a clove-infused compress to the forehead can help provide relief from tension and migraine headaches. Furthermore, clove water has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great remedy for arthritis and joint pain. The eugenol in cloves can help reduce inflammation and swelling in the joints, providing relief from pain and stiffness. Drinking clove water regularly can help improve mobility and reduce discomfort associated with arthritis. Clove water is also a popular remedy for menstrual cramps and PMS symptoms. The analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties of cloves can help reduce pain and discomfort during menstruation, while the calming effects of clove water can help alleviate mood swings and irritability. Drinking clove water during your period can help provide relief from cramps and promote overall well-being. In addition to its physical health benefits, clove water is also known for its mental health benefits. Cloves have been used in aromatherapy for their calming and stress-relieving properties, which can help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Drinking clove water can help improve mood and mental clarity, making it a great natural remedy for stress and tension. Overall, clove water is a simple yet powerful drink that offers a wide range of health benefits. From improving digestion and boosting the immune system to relieving headaches and promoting oral health, clove water is a versatile remedy that can help improve overall well-being. Whether enjoyed hot or cold, clove water is a refreshing and nutritious beverage that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine for optimal health and wellness.